Diagnosing water leaks in the wall. We had to cut the sheetrock open, and what we found is, if you look, evidence of where screws went through the sheetrock, and then peeling it back, holes were drilled in the pipes. Over here, same thing. Holes drilled in the pipe. And up here, same thing. This hole goes all the way through. People upstairs on the third floor flush the toilet, and water comes out of this hole right here. So apparently some work was done here. A towel bar was installed at one time, and somebody was putting screws in the wall and hitting the metal plate, which is designed to protect electrical or plumbing that's in the wall. And it looks like they actually may have took a drill bit and drilled holes. And yeah, it's quite a mess. So we found the source of the water leaks in the wall, and it turned out to be someone drilled holes through the sheetrock right into the drain pipes. And now we've discovered it, and we're faced with the task of fixing it. 2 holes there, possibly another one down here. There you go. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.